Wish you the best of luck.
No, that's not what you want to do. You're not in trouble, but just say thanks for coming and talking to me. You're going to
Thank you for
convince me.
coming. Oh, Ben's in the hallway.
No, now I'm going to get him. Now that's good stuff.
Okay, so thanks for joining us, and, so, the first thing you have to say, start it off. Hey, Sam. Emma.
Wait, shall we do 5 right?
Guys, remember everybody's having a part, because last year not everybody was having a part before that too.
Okay, in cigarettes, there's over 4,000.
One of them includes hydrogen cyanide, which is basically poison. And
It's okay. If you could just go back.
okay, so
You guys can start if you haven't yet.
we have a few pictures. This one is basically saying
What happens after if someone smokes and if someone doesn't smoke. So the difference,
Is that like all tar in the lungs and like
tar chemicals, which is
Wait, I just this is just a random question. How long did that guy smoke?
Yeah, how long?
Like, is it like one time?
I think it's like 2 months.
That, what's gonna happen when he gets older, more than 2 months, I mean, it'd be worse.
but some people smoke way too much. And
so like for people. Sorry, finish.
Oh, the other girl.
Audience members, make sure you're sitting and being respectful quiet listeners. If you're taking pictures, that's fine, but don't talk.
a cigarette also includes ingredients from batteries.
I can't hear.
Is it vanadium?
Go ahead, that's fine.
Lighter fuel. And there's another ingredient from a barbecue lighter.
There's
There's acid.
there's also nicotine, tar, carbon monoxide, ammonia, and DDT,
Menthol.
and many more.
Wait, what's DDT?
Menthol.
There's 43 known cancer-causing compounds in one cigarette. There's over 4,000 chemicals in one cigarette.
Do you have anything else to do with not what's inside it?
yeah,
Yes.
almost
Yeah.
15 billion, about 15 billion cigarettes are sold each year in the USA, which is
And around
Which kills over
443,000
people a year.
in the US
people
each
a
year.
year in the U.S. each year.
And what it can cause is heart attacks, throat cancer, lung cancer, and death.
And also nicotine gets to your brain and damages it in only 6 seconds.
Like so, like after 6 seconds of smoking, like the
It gets to
nicotine,
your
like
brain.
and like what does it do to your brain? You mean like get to your brain? What do you mean by
It
get?
gets
It
you,
messes with your
it's
brain.
addicting.
So like it makes your brain like
think it's
want
good.
more.
Yeah, and even though it's like really bad.
We gotta speed this up. But,
And also, if the law is passed, the tobacco, some of the tobacco making companies and factories could be turned into jail cells, even if like
In case of illegal smoking.
Wait,
can I say something? Do you have anything else?
All the so there are many other things that are really bad, but smoking causes even more of them. And like so there are like you can get heart attacks, and those are just like other problems or like strokes or anything. But then smoking you can actually prevent.
Because there's
And
fakes, like
because all you
fake
have to
mint, like for chewing tobacco, there's like mint, and like there's also like mint cigarettes.
how's there? Is this just like smoking with like or is it like all tobacco products?
I think it would be all tobacco products that produce smoke.
Oh,
not
so wait,
maybe
like
chewing
chewing
cigars
tobacco?
or taking
So
in pipe.
Chewing tobacco?
Would that include vaping?
Well, I don't know. I guess that's a good question. I don't know.
And then like
This was written before vaping was a thing, so I don't really know.
And people who do smoke, they can get better jobs for the environment and people who really so like any jobs.
Cigarettes also causes cancer because the people who do smoke, they don't know that that if they litter and secondhand smoking can cause others to start smoking, and it can go on and on. And also another thing is that with vaping, if you smoke a lot and you vape, you can actually get them without all the nicotine and all the bad stuff, and then you're just smoking flavor, but it seems as if you're smoking, so it can get rid
for
of the
vaping?
nicotine faster. Yes.
Okay, are you guys?
Last official comment, kiddos, because we're at 5 minutes.
Well, Jack used to say there's no proof that vaping is better than smoking.
Yeah. And then to go with everything, the law for no smoking, people could just vape, and there's no proof that vaping is better than smoking.
And also, if people stop, like, drugs have big impacts on people's behavior. So if they stop, that could lead to abuse, because like if people don't have their cigarette, they might feed somebody.
That's the point of like fake cigarettes.
There's not really a fake
Remember,
cigarette that
Representative
has-
Smith, only share your opinion if there's a reason to set up a question.
Is there really a fake cigarette that they have full proof that
It's better than
is better than smoking?
Well, yes,
Yeah,
you can.
mint
You
flavors.
can get like with the vaping, you could get it without all the bad stuff, without nicotine, without any bad things, and you're just smoking flavor. But it helps you because it seems like you would be smoking, and it's still kind of addictive, but it isn't.
But there's not really a proven that it's bad. That's what kind of
It's proof that it's better, but
better,
it's
but
not
it's not.
proof
But it's-
that it's
yeah, and it can still
exactly
get
good.
smoke.
And for baseball players, the chewing tobacco, when they run, or does that count?
Go ahead. Pretend it's the last comment, so
When
just, we'll
they're
be done with it.
running or something, that's even worse for them.
So we're out of time, so thank you guys. How do you want to end it? How do you end your conversation?
Thank you for discussing with us. You made some very good points, and we will take this into consideration.
We'll make up our choice.
So kiddos, we need to transition to lit circles, but Representative Smith has to come up with a decision while we do so. So go ahead and transition, and then we'll hear from Representative Smith when they give me 5.